Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for the best Fiverr deals in 2025? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share the latest Fiverr promo codes and discounts you can use right now to save money on your next order. I'll also explain why Fiverr is one of the most powerful platforms for freelancers and businesses, and I've included a special link in the description that always has the most updated Fiverr discount codes and deals. So you never miss out on savings, let's be honest. Hiring freelancers can get expensive, especially if you're building a business or working on multiple projects at once. Fiverr solves that problem by giving you access to thousands of skilled freelancers from all over the world with prices starting as low as $5. Whether you need graphic design, video editing, social media management, web development, or even voiceovers, Fiverr has a seller for that. Here's why Fiverr is so popular in 2025. It's quick and easy to use. You can find and hire a freelancer in minutes. You get transparent pricing upfront, so there are no hidden fees or surprises. There's a massive marketplace of talented sellers, so you can compare ratings and reviews before hiring. And Fiverr's secure payment system means you only pay when you're satisfied with the work. Now, let's talk savings. Here are some of the best Fiverr promo codes for 2025. FVR10NEWs get 10% off your first order as a new customer. Save 15 FVR. 15% off select categories like graphic design and digital marketing. Fiverr 20% off your first purchase on Fiverr Business, perfect for teams managing multiple freelancers. Flash FVR, limited time code for 5% off any order, no minimum spend required. FVRBUNDLE, discounted packages when you buy multiple gigs from the same seller. If any of these codes aren't working when you try them, don't worry. My special link in the description automatically applies the biggest available discount for you. Fiverr frequently rotates their promo codes, so using that link guarantees you're getting the latest one. Pro tip, Fiverr often runs flash sales around holidays like New Year, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. During those events, you can combine the platform-wide discounts with the promo codes I just shared for the absolute lowest price. So that's it. Those are the best Fiverr promo codes and deals you can grab right now for 2025. If you're ready to get high-quality freelance work done at the best possible price, click the link in my description, apply the discount, and start outsourcing your next project today. If this video helped you save money, give it a like, subscribe for more online business and deal hunting tips, and leave a comment telling me what you're hiring for. I'd love to hear about your next project.